Thank you for calling Papa John's. We look forward to serving you. If you're calling about a previously placed order, please press 2. If you're calling to place a new order, please press 3. For store hours, please press 4. If you would like to speak with the store manager, please press 5. If you would like to hear these options, please be advised that all calls may be recorded for quality assurance and training purposes. We may collect your contact information to complete your order and for all users as described in the policy located at papajohns.com. Please remember that any delivery charge is not a set pay to the delivery driver. Be sure to reward your driver for great service.
Thank you for calling Papa John's. Nick speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm better than you. Fuck you.
I'm very sorry, sir. I wasn't able to hear any of that. Could you repeat that? Hello?
Hi, I'm better than you. Fuck you.